Hey NoobTubers, today we have another episode of unboxing and possibly using another thing that I purchased. It's from the Zaag website. It is a keyboard case cover for the iPad Pro, the 9.7. Currently I use this one, which is the Zaag Case, which is actually not that bad. It has a pencil holder for your iPencil or your Apple Pencil, and this is the logo, and it has a magnetic right here, so you can actually attach this to your fridge, these two magnets right here. But the thing about this one currently is that you have the different settings to use right there. But since I do a lot of typing on my iPad, I needed something else, and instead of carrying around a wireless keyboard all the time. So let's get started. So as you can see here, and Zaag mostly makes the, as you might know, the Invisi Shield for your phones and iPads and the other devices, your tablets or your handheld devices. And here we have what's called the Nomad Book for the iPad 9.7-inch Pro. The Nomad Book, as you can see that. You can see it. I'll do a little spin right here on my tabletop spinner. Sometimes I wish it can go a little bit faster. This is just to add more show, I guess. I could probably spin a little bit faster with my hands. But I thought since I have it, I might as well use it. As you can see here, this is the Zaag Nomad Book wireless keyboard and detachable case. So let's see here. I can open this now. Okay. It's a nice, very nice cover. Very nice box that it came in. You can see here it made it fit. There's a couple pieces in here. Custom fit bumpers, number 2. Number 3 is the security magnet. Number 4 is the detachable Bluetooth keyboard and the fitted button casing. So let's see what we have here. Okay. I'll set this aside. This is the case itself. Holds the pencil. Have a quick start guide. And here you have it seems like they give you extra stuff. You have one for the iPad Air, a button for the tab. This looks like Samsung. And then you have one for the iPad 9.7. 9.7 tablets. This might be extra. Seems like these are extra. Over here cable, typical micro USB. Doesn't seem like there's any instruction booklets or anything in here. It does feel pretty heavy though. Okay. Let's look at this case. It's got a little bit more weight than my other case. This is pretty hard. Just to hold the iPad up at the different angles. This is pretty sturdy. You can see it's pretty sturdy, pretty hard to push. This is where you would fit the pencil. And let's open it up. And as you can see here, this is a keyboard, no 10 keypad. Keys are pretty nice, pretty laid out, as you can see here. They're raised. And then you can check battery. Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, so you can connect to multiple devices. And as you can see here, this says iPad Pro 10.5. So let's see if we can remove this and put the, as you can see, and there's a magnet right here for the keyboard. So you can remove this. Just use it to watch movies or what have you. This, I'm assuming, is the magnet. Oh, you would stick this to your iPad, the back of your iPad. So it will stick to this magnet portion. So as you see, you would stick this on the back of your iPad. It's sticky and it'll be magnetic and sits there. Ooh, it's a pretty strong magnet. So it won't fall out. So let's see how you would take this off. As you can see here, I removed it. The 10. And I'm going to put in the 9.78. Probably need to remove this portion too. This is how you would remove it. You would set it like this. So these buttons are, these plastic buttons are raised too. So you would need to remove this portion right here, which is also made of plastic. Oof. Thought I snapped that off there for a minute. Let's put these in. Okay. And there you go. It snaps into place. Get my 9.7. Snap the back cover into place like that. Okay, these are raised, so it pushes the buttons down, as you can see. Raised. I won't put the magnet on just yet. I'll just leave it in there for now. So now that we got that into place, let's go ahead and put my iPad in there. That's why it fits. That's why I use the magnet to sit it in there. If the magnet's not in there, it'll fall out. The original case has these cover bumpers to hold it in place. This one is dependent on this magnetic piece to hold it in place. You can see here, this is how it sits. Cut it on, cut it off. keyboard. In there, the keyboard in there. Okay, I was able to connect the keyboard up, as you can see. It seems to work just fine. Nothing wrong with it. Buttons work just fine. Increase the volume, decrease the volume, play, mute. Open up other screens. You have the lock. Everything works just fine. So I would say, not bad. I like the keyboard. It might take, I have to try it a couple more days, see how it fits. Not too bad thickness. I guess this is where you would charge it. The only part is this part right here. It seems like it's almost made of cloth. So that would be my only thing if this part tears right here. It would be hard to replace it. As you can see here, opens just fine. Home, open notes. Pretty fast. Can I type? Yep. And there you have it. This is the Zaag Nomad Book wireless keyboard and detachable case. I'll drop a link on the YouTube page, and I think it currently runs around $99, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see here, you can do the different angles, so you can lean it pretty far down, but just don't lean it too far forward without attaching the magnetic portion. And there you have it. Drop a comment anytime. Maybe make suggestions on what you want to see next. I have a couple other projects coming up. Some other crowdfunding projects that are coming in soon. Both Kickstarter and Indiegogo. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.